Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will start creating a Symfony application and then I will install packages and I will do configuration of them. I will create Symfony application for API. I don't want so much boilerplate code and unnecessary packages, that's why I won't create traditional Symfony application. I will create for API. I created the project. Now I will open it in PHP Storm with the terminal commands. We have API project, that's why Maker Bundle isn't included by default. We can easily install it. The Maker Bundle provides us commands for quickly generating some PHP codes such as controllers or entities without the need for manual configuration. For install this, we just run composer require Maker Bundle. This bundle doesn't require any configuration. Now I need to install API platform for our project with composer require API. In this project, I will use my local environment. That's why I won't choose the Docker. But if you want, you can choose the Docker. We have API project. That's why doctrine annotations isn't included by default. So we need to install it too. I will generate a user entity with using the make user command. I use the PostgreSQL. So I will connect to my PostgreSQL database. This is my username for database connection. I don't have password, so I will delete the change me. And this is a specific name. You can choose it, which one you want. Now my connection parameters are set up, so Doctrine can create the database name which I wrote there with the Doctrine database create command. For my user table, I need to creating the database table. Doctrine schema updates force commands. As you can see, I created my table here, uh, user table here. I will add a user in my user table, and I need to hash the password, so I will use the Symfony console command security hash password. I enter which I want password here after the hash password, and it created for me password hash. And I added my user. This is just for example. I want to run my project background, that's why I run this command. I don't want to access with API path, so I want to delete a API path, so I will access directly with my base URL. I will make all YAML files configuration after the jwt authentication install the jwt authentication bundle. It is easy to install lexik jwt-authentication-bundle. Just composer require lexik jwt-authentication-bundle, and we need to generate keys. For this, there is a command lexik jwt generate key pair. It will create for us private and public PAM files. Now I need to make some configuration in my some of files. I made mistake here. It should be app user provider. So I will change the provider as a user provider because it was app user provider, and I will change it as a user provider in security YAML. And here I forgot to define the routes in routes YAML. I will define authentication routes. As you can see, my authentication is successful, and it returned me, it generated me token, and I will access my users endpoint with this token. I add one more user on my users table, and as you can see, I get both of them. For authenticate users with their Google accounts, I need this package. We can install it with Composer record. Now we need client ID and client secrets. We need to create them in console cloud Google accounts.